Hey, hey, Berta Jay, come on into my kitchen with me today. We want to do a review. Now, I've never done this before, but I had to share my new toaster oven with you. For some of you who've been watching me for a while, probably saw the old toaster oven go and the new toaster oven come. Now, we've always gotten, for the last 30 years, we've always gotten an Oster toaster. And you need to know that I'm not getting anything from an Oster. We just like Oster toasters. This is really our favorite. When you get it in the box and you take it out of the box, it looks just like this. So it's ready to use. It's really, really big on the inside. It comes with a roasting pan. Fits in there lovely. I really like that. But I found that it will also fit my loaf pans. And this is a 9x9. But the cool thing is my 12-cup muffin tin also fits in here. It's really big. So we really like it because we make all these things and we don't have to heat up a great big oven. The other thing I like about it is the convection. So you get all this heat and this swirling of heat. And it cooks faster. Convection cooking is faster. So it has a really nice deep inside. Also, when you turn it to the side, what we had noticed in some of the others, so it sits right here on the counter, it had a bump out. And we really didn't like that so much. This one's flat in the back. It fits the frozen pizza and a lot of other things. And we just felt that that was a good thing. And it could do a roast, a little chicken. You could do any kind of roasting and baking that you would like. The thing that is my favorite thing, besides these other features I'll share with you, is this lift out. Now we use this thing every day, but this is the crumb tray. The other one I had to slide in and make sure that it got right on the track. Sometimes it would fall down, so it would always take me a while before I could slide it in. But this one, to show you how it is, you rinse it off. It needs rinsing off, but this is the crumb tray. This is how you put it back. That's it. You slide it in, you slide it out. That's it. That's all you do. It's wonderful. But the other part is that it is so easy to use. Anything, you touch any one of these buttons, well, I lied. Any one of these buttons, you kind of move it a little bit and it turns it on. And this is the LCD readout. We wanted a toaster oven because we wanted to toast. But right at the top where it says toast, you see it goes from number 1 to 7. 1 is really light. Here it is. The toaster was cold and we did 1. This is really what 1 looks like. Now 2, each one of the successive ones are going to be a little bit darker on this plate that I've shown you. This is really darker than a 2 and this is darker than a 3 and 4. Anyway, in order to turn it from 7 back to 1, you use the first big button. See it's going back? 5, 4. We usually keep it about 3 or 4, and it toasts really well. Okay, so when you're doing a bagel, you've got it on bagel because you turned it with the small button, and you're going to use this button to go, you want it lighter or darker. Okay, then the rest of the functions. You've got pizza. You can bake your cookies, your whatever you need to bake. You can bake chicken or anything like that. You can broil. You can do cookies, you can roast, and you can just warm up stuff. I've used this several times to just warm something up that I've already cooked. These times are already preset and the temperature's already set, but you can change those as well. Defrost I've never used, so I can't tell you how that is. But to reheat is perfect. To reheat leftovers, for those of you who like to eat leftovers, it's already set at 15 minutes at 325. But if you want to change that, you can. I just really like it. And I thought maybe if I shared it with you guys, I'll leave a link below so that you can take a look at it yourself. We got ours at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it happened to be on sale too. And you know, Bed Bath & Beyond always has that wonderful coupon that goes with it, either 20% sometimes or $5 or $10. So we were able to use one of the coupons. But it was just a great toaster oven, and I just wanted to share it with you, okay? So if you need a toaster oven, I hope you will consider buying an Oster, this Oster toaster oven. It does do 6 slices of toast. Okay? Until next time, this is my first review. Let me know how I did. We'll see you again next time with a recipe. Okay? Bye for now.